Well, it doesn't matter where you fish throughout Australia or what type of fishing you do, I can almost guarantee that somewhere along the road, your gear is going to get wet. Now, usually that is something that I can live with. The one thing I can't live with, however, is when that gear sits in the water, doesn't dry out, and then eventually corrodes. That is why Plano have come up with these Hydro Flow Stowaway boxes, which have a series of assorted holes in the top, side, and the bottom, which means that when your tackle gets wet, the water is going to drip out the bottom. It also means that when they're drying, you'll have lots of airflow going through the boxes, which has been proven to reduce corrosion. So let's say you're fishing on the rocks like I am today, dip your box into the water, and out comes all the water that would usually just be sitting in there. It's a really, really cool feature that I love about these boxes, because I know if I'm fishing on the beach and I get a little bit of sand in my box or a little bit of grit from the rocks today, I can get home, get the hose, give it a wash, get all of that out, and then leave it to dry out in the sun, and I know that air is going to go through those boxes and all the water is going to drip out. They come in a range of different sizes. You've got deep ones here, shallow ones, small ones, and what I like about them is they've all got that positive locking system that Plano is known for. Do yourself a favour and go check out the Hydro Flow boxes from Plano, and I encourage you to go in a testing environment like this and see if they work. Time for a fish.